The average price of a new SUV in America today is $50,000. That number is not an exaggeration. It is not a luxury figure. It is the average for a family vehicle, one that drives to school, to the grocery store, and to youth soccer on Saturday mornings. New car payments are crushing American households right now. But there is something the dealerships do not advertise loudly enough. The used market in 2026 is sitting on some of the best values in years. A 3 to 5-year-old SUV has already absorbed its steepest depreciation. The previous owner paid that price. You did not. You walk in and inherit all the reliability that comes after the drop. The trick is knowing which used SUVs are genuinely worth your money, and which ones are cheap because they deserve to be. This video gives you 5 that are absolute steals. Every price is current market data. Every reliability score is sourced from RepairPal and Consumer Reports. Every recommendation is backed by real owner data from hundreds of thousands of actual buyers. No guesswork, no manufacturer talking points. Just the 5 used SUVs your $25,000 can buy right now that will still be running strong when your kids graduate high school. If this kind of research is what you came for, hit subscribe right now. It costs nothing, and it keeps this channel building content that actually helps you spend smarter. Number 5, 2022 Subaru Forester. Look at what $21,135 buys you here. Standard all-wheel drive. On every single trim, no upgrade required, no extra package to tick. It simply comes with the car. Ground clearance sits at 8.7 inches. That is higher than most compact SUVs charge extra for. Highway fuel economy reaches 33 miles per gallon. And the boxy profile that some buyers overlook is the entire point. That shape creates headroom that tall adults actually notice. It creates cargo space that swallows luggage without Tetris skills required. The Forester is practical, in the most honest possible sense. Consumer Reports gave the 2022 model strong reliability marks. Edmunds rates it 7.9 out of 10. Average consumer satisfaction scores sit at 4.7 out of 5. Toyota Safety Sense equivalent features come standard across every trim. Automatic emergency braking. Lane departure warning. You do not pay extra for safety here. The sweet spot generation runs from 2019 to 2024. The 2022 sits in the middle of that range. The original owner absorbed the depreciation cliff. You inherit everything that comes after it. What that means practically, you are buying genuine all-weather capability at a commuter car price. The Forester does not try to be the most exciting vehicle in its segment. It tries to be the most dependable one. After 5 years of owner data, the verdict is clear. It is exactly that. Number 4, 2021 Mazda CX-5. Walk into a Mazda showroom. Sit inside a CX-5. Then walk next door to a BMW dealership. Sit inside an X3. Come back and compare what you remember. The cabin quality gap is smaller than the badge price difference suggests. Soft touch materials throughout, genuine leather stitching, an infotainment system that responds the first time, a driving position that feels like someone actually thought about it. The CX-5 delivers a premium interior experience that mainstream compact SUVs at this price cannot match. But that is not why it earns the number 4 spot. It earns it because RepairPal ranks the Mazda CX-5 as the number 1 most reliable compact SUV out of 26 vehicles in its class. The single most reliable. Average annual repair cost, $447. That is $74 below the class average every single year. Owners visit an unscheduled repair shop less than once annually on average. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine is smooth, proven, and mechanically uncomplicated. Uncomplicated engines do not generate large repair bills. Used 2020 to 2022 models sit between $19,900 and $24,000 in current market pricing. The 2021 at $23,006 style national average gives you the sweet spot of age, feature content, and mileage. You are buying a vehicle that feels expensive, drives beautifully, and costs almost nothing to maintain. That specific combination at this price point is genuinely rare. Take advantage of it. Number 3, 2021 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has dominated family SUV sales for decades. That is not marketing. It is a documented track record. RepairPal reliability rating 4.0 out of 5.0. Average annual repair cost, $407. The lowest annual repair cost of any vehicle on this list. Owners bring it in for unscheduled repairs less than once per year. IC Cars rates overall quality at 8.7 out of 10. Ranked number 1 out of 66 crossover SUVs in its analysis. Number 1. Now look at the cargo numbers. 39.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. The lowest cargo floor in its class. The most generous rear legroom in the compact SUV segment. A family of 4 with luggage fits comfortably. Nobody argues. Nobody climbs over anyone. It simply fits. The 2021 model year sits on Honda's proven 5th-generation platform. The 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers 190 horsepower. Fuel-efficient, responsive, adequate without being exciting. One honest caveat. Earlier CR-V models from 2017 to 2018 had documented oil dilution issues in cold climates. Short trips caused gasoline to contaminate engine oil in some units. The 2020 onwards largely addressed this concern. If you are buying 2021 or newer, you are in the clear. The CR-V does not try to impress you at test drive. It tries to be right every single day for 10 years. By the data from 380,000 owners, from RepairPal, from IC Cars, it succeeds. You are halfway through and every vehicle on this list is backed by real numbers. Before number 2, drop a thumbs up if this research is landing. One click tells us this format is worth continuing. That is all it takes. Number 2, 2022 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in America. Popularity alone is not a recommendation. But when popularity aligns with reliability data this consistently, the combination demands attention. RepairPal reliability rating, 4.0 out of 5.0, ranked 3rd out of 26 compact SUVs. Average annual repair cost, $429. Total maintenance over the first 10 years, $6,005 according to CarEdge. Spread across a decade, that is $600 per year for a family SUV. That figure is exceptional. JD Power Quality and Reliability score on the 2022 model, 87 out of 100. The 2019 to current 5th generation RAV4 brought real improvements. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder was refined. The cabin materials stepped up meaningfully. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 came standard on every trim. Pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams included without a premium package required. The RAV4 holds its better than nearly any competitor in its segment. That matters at purchase, and it matters when you sell. CarBuzz data shows a 2022 RAV4 retaining approximately 87% of its original purchase value after 2 years on the road. You are not just buying reliability when you buy a used RAV4. You are buying a vehicle that recovers more of your investment when the time comes to move on. One specific note for used buyers. The 2019 to 2022 RAV4 Hybrid and Prime models had documented high-voltage cable corrosion on the rear motor connector. Toyota extended the warranty and issued a service campaign. Check the VIN on nhsa.gov before buying any hybrid or prime in that range. The gas RAV4 carries no such concern. At $23,548 average used price, you are buying one of the most proven vehicles on American roads. The arithmetic is straightforward. The reliability data is clear, and the resale value when you eventually sell confirms what the ownership data already told you. Number 1, 2021 Toyota Highlander. Here is the steal nobody is discussing loudly enough right now. A genuine 3-row SUV, with real seating for 7, with a proven 295 horsepower V6 engine, with Toyota's long-term reliability record behind it, all inside a $25,000 used budget. When the Highlander was new, a well-equipped XLE trim started around $40,000. A loaded limited platinum pushed toward $50,000. Today's used market puts those same trims at $22,000 to $25,000. That gap is where the value lives. The 2021 Toyota Highlander ranks as the strongest reliability year within the current 4th generation platform. It has the fewest recalls among current generation models. Consumer Reports gives 4th generation Highlanders a reliability score of 4 out of 5. RepairPal estimates annual maintenance at $489. CarEdge projects only a 40% depreciation over 5 years, significantly slower than comparable American alternatives. The 295 horsepower naturally aspirated V6 in the 2020 and 2021 models deserves specific attention. Toyota replaced it with a turbocharged 4-cylinder in the 2023 refresh. Consumer Reports describe the replacement engine as having a grittier engine sound. Buyers who prefer the smoothness of a naturally aspirated V6 should specifically target 2020 and 2021 model years. That engine has been refined across multiple vehicle generations. Its durability track record across hundreds of thousands of vehicles is documented and clear. A note on the 3rd row. It is not the roomiest in its segment. Adults on long trips will notice. But for families that use the 3rd row occasionally, the growing family that needs the option, the couple that carries grandparents twice a year, it is genuinely functional at a price no 3-row competitor touches inside this budget. The Honda Pilot's 3rd row offers more space. But a used 2020 Pilot at this price point carries more miles on average than a comparable Highlander. The Highlander's slower depreciation curve means you find cleaner examples at comparable prices. The 2021 Toyota Highlander does not need to compete with everything on this list. It occupies a category none of the other 4 entries can touch. 3 rows, Toyota reliability, under to $25,000 in 2026. That is not a compromise. That is a decision that most families shopping new 3-row SUVs at $48,000 do not realize they could make differently. Every vehicle on this list was selected by one standard. The data said so. Real owners reported real results. RepairPal documented real repair costs. IC Cars tracked real transaction prices. Consumer Reports surveyed real buyers at scale. The conclusion is consistent across all five. The used market in 2026 rewards buyers who know where to look. New SUV prices have reached levels that make $50,000 feel normal. It is not normal. A 3 to 5-year-old RAV4 with $429 in average annual repair costs is not a consolation prize. It is the smarter purchase. A 2021 Highlander XLE bought used today at $24,000 is not settling. It is arithmetic. Someone else paid the depreciation. You drive the decade. These 5 vehicles are where that decade begins. Leave a comment. Which one fits your situation and why? Shopping right now? Tell me your budget and your family size. I read every response personally.